We still can't see you.
You still can't see me?
No.
Okay, here I go. I'm sorry. I think I got it.
Okay. All right.
Okay, my name is Judge Tamika West Bernard. I'm presiding over the criminal preliminary hearing calendar for today. The next case we have on the calendar is the state of Georgia versus Parnell Robert Brock for warrant number 2022 CW 54890 for the charge of burglary. We have the second charge, warrant number 2022 CW 54891 for the charge of theft by taking. The state is represented by ADA Cheryl Freeman, and Mr. Brock, the defendant, will be represented by Attorney Nicole Jones. Attorney Freeman, your first witness.
Thank you, Judge. Detective Rowland, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear and affirm that the testimony about providing the matter of state of Georgia versus Parnell Brock will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, I do.
Please tell us your name and how you're employed.
Detective L. Darnell Rowland. I'm with the Clayton County Police Department Criminal Investigation Division.
How long have you worked with the Clayton County Police Department?
For 11 years.
And sir, on October 20th, did you respond to 609 Cordell Drive in Clayton County in reference to a burglary call?
I was assigned to investigate that call.
Okay, did you go out to that location?
I did.
Okay, and was this for an alleged burglary that had occurred on October 19th of 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
When you went out to this location, what type of location is it? Is it a business or residence?
It's a business.
Who did you speak with when you went to the location?
The owner of the business, his name is Mr. Mathis, Michael Mathis.
What did Mr. Mathis tell you that happened on October 19th?
An individual broke into his establishment after the business was closed and secured, broke a window and took some items from inside the business.
When you arrived at the business, detective, were you able to see the broken window?
As soon as I pulled up in front of the business, before even meeting with Mr. Mathis, I did see a broken glass debris. I believe they already had it prepared, but the debris was still present.
Was Mr. Mathis able to tell you the items that were taken from his business?
Yes. 1 second, I'm looking here. And by the way, Judge and the court, I apologize for my appearance. I'm on medical.
Was it a variety of items that were taken from the business?
Some miscellaneous items, yes.
Okay. When you say miscellaneous items, were these like tools or food items or clothing items?
They were some tools, if I remember correctly, and I'm trying to find the actual report for that one.
Well, I think detective and just let us know when you find out. I mean, I think you're saying the miscellaneous tools. I mean, it would be sufficient for me unless Attorney Jones wants more specifics, but I'm just gonna move on.
Okay.
And then later, if she needs the specifics, you can, go back through your information.
That's fine.
Did Mr. Mathis know, the person who broke into the establishment?
Based on the video surveillance captured, he and another employer there witnessed the video footage, witnessed the individual, and immediately identified the person as Mr. Brock.
Were they familiar with Mr. Brock?
Mr. Brock was a former employer that worked for the business.
Did the video surveillance capture the entire incident?
It captured him walking through the business after the business was closed and no one should be present.
Did Mr. Brock have permission from Mr. Mathis to be in the business?
No, he did not.
Were you able to place the video into evidence?
Yes, I believe a copy of the video was placed into evidence.
Detective, you also took out a warrant for Mr. Brock for a theft by taking. What was the item that was taken?
Was I believe it was the vehicle, one of the business owned vehicles.
With the vehicle, do you recall what type of vehicle it was?
It was a pickup truck, I believe. Again, I'm trying to find it.
And do you recall the approximate value of the pickup truck?
Logging in now.
Hey, dear friend, I think we need to put on the record, if he does not recall, then is it something that will refresh his memory to let the record reflect?
Yes, Judge, I'm just about to do that. Detective, and I know you said you were logging on and you were trying to recall specifics. Are you looking to review your warrants or your report?
That's correct. I had trouble logging in based on where I am.
Okay, and by reviewing the warrants or your report, would that refresh your recollection regarding the type of vehicle and the estimated value of that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, go ahead and review the documents, and when you've gotten the information, just let me know.
Will do.
I just don't want you to read from your report. Mhm.
And for the record, he is just reviewing his own report, correct?
I believe so, Detective, is that correct?
That's correct. It's
Yes.
my.
Thank you. Detective Rowland, do you have your warrants in front of you?
In about another second, I will. Yes.
Okay.
2013 Ford F-250 was the vehicle that was taken.
And with that vehicle, Detective, do you recall an estimated value for that vehicle?
Value, pulling up the warrant now.
Are you showing your warrants now, Detective?
Again, I apologize. It's moving extremely slow, but it's coming. I'm unsure of the total value.
Are you looking at your warrant, Detective? Or you still don't have it up?
I can't seem to bring it up.
Okay, Judge, if I could have a couple minutes and I can, and I'll certainly have yourself and Attorney Jones on the email, but if I could send Detective Rowling a copy of his warrant for him to be able to refresh his recollection regarding the estimated value of the vehicle.
Attorney Jones, any objection?
Your Honor, I would object sending a copy of the warrant. He's already testified that he can't recall it.
So he said he can't pull it up. And if we were in court, we would be able to give an officer his or her report or the warrant to refresh their recollection.
You are correct. So it's going to be overruled. So
Thank you. It'll just be a couple minutes.
we're going to briefly go off the record and then allow the officer to refresh his memory, and then we'll resume the hearing.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.